quiet private chat. There might be times when you want to reference or emphasize something someone else has said. Fortunately, Slack makes this process straightforward, though a few handy tips might enhance your experience even further. So, let's dive into these simple methods. First up, we'll explore the copy plus paste with formatting method. This is a quick and efficient way to quote someone, especially when dealing with short messages. Begin by simply copying the message that you want to quote. You can do this by highlighting the text and using your usual copy function, whether that's through a right click or a keyboard shortcut. Once you have the message copied, you're ready to paste it into your reply. As you paste it, consider how you'd like to clearly indicate that this is a quote. Adding quotation marks is a classic method, but you can also use italics to serve the same purpose. This straightforward method excels when you have a quick point to make or a short response to share, and it's effective in maintaining the flow of conversation without much interruption. The second method, perhaps more organized, is to reply in a thread. This approach not only helps keep conversations super tidy, but also connects your response directly to the original message, preserving context for everyone involved. To start, hover over the message you wish to quote. You'll notice that a few icons appear, and among them is the speech bubble icon, indicating the option to reply in thread. Click on this, and you'll be taken to a sidebar where you can type your response. This is particularly useful in busier channels where messages fly back and forth quickly, helping everyone see what point you're addressing without losing track of the conversation's flow. Both methods have their own strengths and can be used based on the context of your conversation. Using the copy plus paste method works wonderfully for quick exchanges, keeping things short and to the point. On the other hand, replying in a thread is ideal for more involved discussions, ensuring clarity and continuity even in the busiest of channels. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to quote someone in Slack. Depending on your situation, you can choose the method that best suits your needs, ensuring that your communications remain clear and effective. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching.